Hi guys, welcome to our KuCoin YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will discuss the Dow Theory. As we have talked about the definition of technical analysis in the last tutorial, in this tutorial, we will bring you a specific image of the core of the technical analysis. So please subscribe to our KuCoin YouTube channel and smash that bell button to keep following our future updates. As usual, to make people more easily understand in this session, I made a table of content for you, and there are three main parts in this video. Firstly, I will explain what the Dow Theory is. Then, what are other Dow Theory's characteristics can tell us in crypto trading. In the end, I will make some trading tips from Dow Theory for you. From now on, the tutorial may contain lots of pictures, and these pictures may include too much information, so it may confuse you. Therefore, I will make a summary at the end of content, and I may consider uploading my PowerPoint slides for you. So don't worry about missing any information, okay? Shall we start? So what is Dow Theory? As I mentioned before, the Dow Theory is the core theory of technical analysis. The author Charles Henry Dow has made this theory. In his theory, he has viewed lots of stock prices for decades and written down his observations. In his observations, he made a conclusion of two main market characteristics. One is about bullish market, the other is about bearish market. From this page, you can clearly see that if the market is bullish or is in the uptrend, price moves like this. It moves from the low point to the high point, but then drops to the higher low point, and in the end, it moves to the higher high point. From this page, you can see that if the market is bearish or is in the downtrend, you will know that the price moves like this. It drops from the high point to the low point, then ascends to a lower high point, and in the end, it drops to the lower low point. Although the market contains three trends: primary trends, secondary trends, and fluctuations. From this picture, you can clearly see that primary trends contain secondary trends and fluctuations. Secondary trends could change primary trends in some cases, and this we will discuss later. You may not find any fluctuations in this picture, right? Don't worry, just because this picture is oversimplified and you can see them in next two candlestick charts. In terms of time dimensions, primary trends can last for a very long time. In the crypto trading, some products such as Bitcoin, its primary trend can last for over 2 months. In this picture, you will find that I made a square zone for you to sign its primary trends. This primary trend lasted for 77 days, more than 2 months. Secondary trends or secondary reactions can last for a couple of days. Secondary trends are also called retracements, and in this picture, these secondary trends lasted for 8 days, more than a week. Fluctuations in this picture are just like serrated blades. They are white noise and unimportant market movements, but they are very misleading. Normally, people can make right decisions from it. If you intend to use these trends to predict price trends, my point is, primary trends and secondary trends are very necessary, since primary trends can be used to determine the market is bullish or bearish. Secondary trends or retracements can be used as the entry prices, and this we will discuss in next session, so don't miss out. So what are other characteristics of Dow Theory? Firstly, trading volume is a very important indicator of when the market is bearish or bullish. It is a very important sign to double-check the market. If the market is bullish, the core volume is increasing. If the market is bearish, the short volume is increasing. As you can see in this picture, the green arrow shows the market of ascending and the red arrow shows the market of descending. In addition, only defined reverse signal can be regarded at the end of the trend. From this picture, it is obvious that from A to F, it is ascending of primary trend. However, the point H has revealed that the ascending of primary trend is changed, since after retracements, this point didn't touch a higher point but became a lower high point. It is the definite reverse signal. In this way, the whole market has high possibility to be bearish. In this part, I will make you some trading tips if you intend to use Dow Theory to determine your primary crypto trend. Firstly, you should choose the right time cycle. And my point is, 4 hours is appropriate. After having chosen the right time cycle, you can use the high point and deep point to determine your primary trend. But remember, the larger time cycle you use, the longer time you will use to make profit. In the end, I will summarize this video. Dow Theory provides us with 2 main powers. One is to determine the market is bullish or bearish. The other is to determine 3 different kinds of trends. Other characteristics are related to the Dow Theory is trading volume and inverse signals. These are separately used to double-check the trend and change in trend. In this way, I will recommend you guys to choose the right time cycle to determine the primary trend, and please remember, the larger time cycle you choose, the more time you will spend on making profits. And this is the end of this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please give us comments below. We are very looking forward to your comments. Next session, we will talk about the support levels and resistance levels. These levels are just another way to express the trend based on Dow Theory, and we will talk about how to trade with this help. So thanks for watching. See you next time.